Here's the full guide on how to sell on Amazon in 60 seconds. First, you're going to go on Amazon.com and check out the new releases section. These products over here are the best-selling new releases. Browse through and try to pick something that's small and light. Oh, I like this outdoor faucet cover right here, and it looks like they just launched in August of this year, and they're already making around 20,000 every single month. Now you need to find the product on Alibaba. Alright, so here's that exact same product. It's being sold for 60 cents a piece. Once you found a few good suppliers, you need to order around 5 samples. You should also order the best seller of that product. And of course, you need to make sure you'd be able to profit with 70 cents, which it looks like you probably would, since the product right here is being sold for $17. Then you're going to order a test order from the supplier of around 150 to 300 units, and you're going to ship them straight to the Amazon warehouse. To do this, you'll need to click Add a Product, then click I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. I'm not going to bore you with the details, but I go through all of this in my course. If you want to learn more about how to sell on Amazon, check out the link in my bio.